Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush Ramore Reviews. Today we're in Portmore at the Sovereign Village. Uh, just basically taking a quick look in terms of what this shopping center has to offer. We have Progressive on this side here. Zoom up a little bit. So that's Progressive Supermarket. We have a Chinese restaurant. We have Fish Pot, AIM Financial, Digicel, Blake's Water Store, Broadbent, and we have Wendy's over that side, and I think Domino's as well. Alright, so we'll be just taking a walk through the plaza. Again, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe for more videos. Remember to leave your comments. And remember to like and share the video as well so that more people can see. Alright, so we're entering the food court. Let's see some of the food options.
This was me. One, the start this, when you have it. Go in, sign up, pay, nothing but pay fee. Go.
Alright, so this is around the side we were at before, where Domino's, Wendy's is at. This is also in the Portmore Pines area. They also call it Route 20 or Portmore Pines, Sovereign Village. also a popular spot. Virtual reality games, stuff like that. City Dental. Alright, so Sovereign Village. Still have a lot of free shops as well. A lot of space inside. A decent plaza in Portmore. Good amount of business is on this complex, and again we still have a lot of empty spaces. Again, leave your comments, share what you think about this shopping center, share your views, share your comments, share your thoughts, and remember to share the video as well so more persons can see and the channel can grow. Alright, so this is where I end the video until we reach the next video. This is Sovereign Village in Portmore, St. Catherine, Portmore Pines. So let's walk downstairs.